storm did a lot of damage last night. The fence isn't safe for the animals anymore.
Some of the goats are missing. They must have escaped during the storm.
Oh no!
The goats escaped through the broken fence during the storm. Foxy, we need you to track them down.
Right away, Milo.
See? It's not holding at all.
We need to properly fix this entire section, or it won't be safe.
It's too unstable. The storm weakened the posts at the bottom. It needs to be realigned and secured properly. I'll need the fixing tools to secure this properly. Could you bring them?
Okay.
I have the tools.
Thank you, Crocky. Let's get this fixed together. Right there. Perfect.
This should make things stable.
Everyone is safe again. The barn is finally secure after the storm. Together, we can fix any problem and keep everyone safe.